Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com. It's been a long time that I've made a video for YouTube. I've been very busy teaching, doing webinars and trading and all that. Anyway, that's life. Okay, so just want to recap a little bit, maybe almost a month now, maybe more than that. But anyway, let's just quickly make this video. I want to make it short and fast. Don't want to waste your time. So let's see. Just want to show how I did all this time. This is one of those chart pound USD. I almost look at around like 12 to 15 charts. Currency pairs, different pairs, and almost every step of the way I just watch them and I make the charts and send out to my subscribers and give them direction what to do. And plus we make our entry from my strategy called Magic Wave, first Magic Wave, and that's a solid strategy for make an entry, but you need to know what are the turning points on a higher time frame. That's very essential. So this is what it is. Let me show you. This is a pound USD weekly chart, and it is from March. If you can see here, it dropped. This is a nice blue channel here, and there's this supposedly like wave 1 or A, and then we're supposed to go around here or here for wave 2 or B. This was the first resistance area, so I mark here, but it could go over there, right? So what actually happened, you can see yourself. Let me show you where this chart is right here. Okay, so this was one here, then it went in two waves, A, B, C, A, then B, and C. This is how the Elliott wave works. Okay, so first the B wave was here, 2 or B, but it's a part of it, right? So this is it. But anyway, we went all the way up to this high, and now we're sitting here. Okay, the end, this channel again, the upper TL we are hitting. Next pair, let's see, what is it? This is USD franc. This chart from May, and this is a big head and shoulder. You can see this is a weekly chart. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This is right shoulder usually makes wave 1 and 2 or A or B, that followed by C or 3. Simple. Okay, it's always like that. This is what head and shoulder is, unless this is wave 3 and this could be a wave 4 and 5. But that's not the scenario. You need to know what is happening in the background. So that's why I said it could be A1 or A, 2 or B, and then we will go down in 5 wave, 3 or C. What happened after that? This is what happened after that. We have 1, 2. We are in currently wave 3 or C. It would be a big one. So around here, then 4, then 5. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what. That's why I said in the back chart before chart, that we will go down in 5 wave, because wave 3 or C usually carries 5 waves. Anyway, so this is pound franc. Now next chart, I want to show you really what happened. This is Aussie USD. It's also a weekly chart from August. It was dropping big time, and I predicted that it's going to drop from here, from 63. Okay, I have a dream chart that I don't want to talk about it. I saw these numbers big time dropping. So anyway, now, as you can see here and read, I said enough of this sell-off now. Let's go up already, and I think I scared him off. This chart really went up, right? All the way up and powerfully going up. So let's watch this one, how far it goes. But so far, hundreds of pips to the upside. Similarly, next chart is euro yen. I mean, I'll show you how nicely I always watch it, but if I go too far back, you get confused. So I'm just gonna show a few steps back from August. You see this? This is the area that I said point out that it's gonna go up, and what happened next? That we nicely went up where I said exactly it will go. Then I said it was gonna drop from there. Okay, hitting the trend line. And then drop. You have to make like wave 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3 follow, right? And start dropping, and then touch the trend line, but then did it. All right. So we touch the trend line. Then from there, obviously, after the trend line bounce, we need to see the upside. And we have the upside. Right. Then I lost track of this pair that came down and bounced from the trend line again. I made the chart, but I kind of lost it, so I cannot show you that I had it anticipated. Okay. So this is how it is. So far we are here, and I know where it's going, and I already made the chart and sent out to my subscribers. This is pound yen daily chart. You can see here with 345 with 3, and I was expecting a wobbling here as wave 4 coming down here. What actually happened is that it dropped to this, you start dropping, but somehow this trend line hold it. And then I said, okay, enough of this dropping, and it's not going to, after this bullish candle here, then I said, okay, this is wave 1 and 2, and then we will go for wave 3 to the upside, 3 or C or whatever. But this is how the Elliott wave mumbo jumbo is. But anyway, we will go above this level, which is 0.3, right? We started to go up slowly, and then we went above and hit the target. Similarly, somehow I had my computer crash, so I lost those charts after that. Okay, so but anyway, so this is where we are now. Okay, so nice and clean. Let's see. One of my favorite chart is where it is. Okay, this one. Okay, this one was a little recent. It's a daily chart, pound Aussie. Look, it's like a wave 3 and then 4 and 5, and then obviously this always follows with the correction. So I said, well, this is A and this B, then we have to go down into C wave, maybe 100% or 127 or 1.618. These are the 3 levels. Okay, and this is a daily chart, by the way, and this pound Aussie moves big time. It is when I sent out the chart where we were like around 174, close to 174, 173, 80, 90. And after that, what really happened is this. See how beautifully we are coming down? We already hit the first target, 100% now. In fact, we hit the second one as well. You see the 127% hit by the pip. That we bounce a little bit, and now it looks like that we are going more down to 1.618 level. So let's see whatever happens, but this is how it is. Now, these are the longer time frame chart that I set out to my subscribers. I'm not showing the 1 hour or 4 hour charts because then the video is going to be too long. These are bigger charts that gives us the direction, the sense of direction, the where it is. So now if you look at this one, for example, if you know that we need to go down for to finish the 3 wave, as I said it here, bad patterns complete, and need to go down for C to complete ABC correction. So okay, these are the targets. We need to go down. Then should we go take a long setup and go long? No, obviously not, right? We're looking for short setups, and that is the beauty comes in with my magic wave strategy. It is a very precise strategy which I give you all my subscribers and teach them how to use it. And whoops, what happened here? Anyway, I don't know. Oh, okay. And using that strategy, you can always make very precise and nice entries. Okay, this is more like it, right? For example, I think I have made one chart of this pair. You get to earn 5 entries are always from the 5-minute chart. So, for example, this one, the last day, October 16, that we had on pound Aussie dropping again. So see now, if a longer time frame telling you that the pair is dropping, right? Even though you have a nice bullish entry here, would you take it? No. But if you don't know higher time frame, then you would take this one or this one and get killed. This is what happens. So it's very essential to watch higher time frame charts and get your direction, sense of direction, and that is not easy as well. That's why I send out the charts. All my subscribers, they need it. And not everybody can understand very quickly where the direction is, where the pair is going. And this is what I do. I pinpoint the direction and everything, like I just showed you all those charts, the higher time frame, weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1-hour charts. I make the direction chart. I send out. In fact, nowadays I'm making a small video quickly and then send it out, explaining and everything and telling what to do. And all you have to do is just sit tight and wait for a setup like this. Okay, just a setup like this. It's very easy. I'm not going to show more charts with the setup. You can have tons of videos. You go and see how these setups look like. They are everywhere, every pair, every night. Okay, just like this. See, price goes up above the wave, then comes down, and then this bullish candle bar, right, comes out of this is what it is. The momentum, the price comes out with a momentum bar. This is what it is. Just like this here. Price dip below the wave, make the entry again into the wave, and then comes out with a nice candle. That's your candle to make an entry. And this is 100 pip drop here, and then it dropped even more further. All right, so this is the story every single night. That's what happens around London. This is the correction in Asia usually, and then London comes in or US session, they hit, for a big move. This is it. That's what I do, my webinar, and I teach all of that. Okay, how to do analysis, the way I do it, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns. I have a bunch of patterns that I made on my own, similar patterns. You can find them all over the internet, but the problem is that how you look for one and how you trade one. That is very important, okay? Finding it in exactly at the right time. So, and with the beginning of the move, then you can make an early entry and make lots of pips. Like from here, you had 700 pips, and they're not in a straight line. You can dip and then goes up again. So you make the pippage while it's dipping, drop, then get out, like around here. And then let me see if I can explain it. Let's see this one here. This one didn't do it much, but the Frankie, if you go back, let me show you if. Okay. I should have gone the other way anyway. Frankie means when I say Frankie, that is USD franc. This is most common name is Swissy. So now you see, if I tell you that we need to go in 5 waves, so you start shorting from here, and the target is this low, or the trend line or something, right? And then you get out, and then start going up. Either you can go up for a second wave, which is you can do it, because on a daily or weekly chart, even a second wave, even a correction has a lot of pippage on smaller time frame from the 5-minute time, and then it goes up there, and then it gives you this candle. That means again returning back to the downside, and you hit it hard with the short setups. Then again it bounced from the TL, and this candle shows you, and this is where I just showed you the chart. Oh, that was a different pair, Poundology, sorry. So, but that's the technique to see. This is it. And so you see that after a correction, it start coming down again. You find your setup, and it gives you setup. Most of the time, 95% of the time, you'll see the setup when it starts dropping. Okay, either 5-minute, 1 minute, 15-minute, one of those charts will give you the setup, and you just take it to the downside. Simple, very easy. Not easy, but once you learn it. So this is what it is. Okay, if you subscribe, then what you get is that I will send charts with the higher time frame setups like these. 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, daily chart, explaining. And now I just started that I made a small video and send out and explain everything, that what's happening and what to look for, where the price is going in that pair. Let's say if I made a video, I'm going to show you 3 or 4 charts, different charts, indexes as well. And I cover the indexes, US dollar index and yen index, especially those two. That also gives you the sense of which currency is getting strong or which is getting weaker, and that helps a lot, knowing that if the currency is getting weaker, then you see that all the, let's say you see the USDX getting weaker, that means all the USD pairs should go up. And what you looking for is in your analysis, higher time frame showing a setup to the upside, a bullish setup. And once you have that, that confirms the index, and then you go on a 5-minute chart, 15 1-minute chart to make your long entries from there. This is the whole story. So in my webinars, I teach that. In my videos, I send out charts in your email with the direction and all the instructions, what to do, what not. So you not only be able to trade, also you learn how to do all these mumbo jumbo, right? And if you like it and if you think it's worthwhile, then just go on my website and take a look. It's www.myforexmagicwave.com. Okay, myforexmagicwave.com. My first website was stolen, and somebody else opened it up again and using my name and doing a lot of nonsense things. But I'm not part of that. Please be advised. My only website right now is myforexmagicwave.com. That's the only one I have now, and that's where I do everything. Everything else with the name of Magic Wave does not belong to me. Okay, please stay away from that. Or if you want to, have anything to do with them, fine. But that's not me. Me only myforexmagicwave.com. Please, I need to do that. I just found out a lot of nonsense going out there with this name. Okay, but I cannot stop them. I never filed for copyright, so they're taking advantage of it. That's fine. If they can make some money out of that, that's I don't care about that. I don't want people to get hurt. That's it. I just want you to know that this is who I am. myforexmagicwave.com. That's the only website I have right now. Okay. All right, so thanks for watching. Have a great day, and if you think that it's worthwhile, just come in and subscribe and join my group. All right, okay, thank you. Bye bye.